Hello, welcome back to my channel again. InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day.
Hello guys, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel with another video. Hope you guys will fine and doing very good. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, just go to the subscribe and click on it, and after the subscription click on the bell button for more notifications, because really the best way to get my latest video. So as you can see, I have already uploaded about golden key and $50 thing, so you can check out this video. It's the most promising video ever. So today guys, I have a little bit update. I have a little update about Taucoin. Taucoin is the best thing. You can earn freely if you have not yet registered on this side. So if you want to if you are already registered and want to withdraw your coins into your Android wallet, so just simply with the description, download Android wallet to send and receive info and Android wallet address. Just simply click on this Android button and you will go through the Google Play Store. You can also go to your I will show you this is okay. You can also go to your Play Store and search okay. Taucoin. Okay. So I have already installed. Okay, this is Taucoin. Okay, you can download it on your mobile phone, or you simply go to this link. So simply drag it and open the Taucoin application. Okay, just click on open here. So I just simply go to the manage, and please just simply click on your this address, and I have already copied the address. This is my Taucoin address, and I just simply copy this and paste it into web wallet, and you simply click on this amount to wire dot, pull the captcha, and next one this is only for security guys. You simply click on submit button. Okay, so sorry, I have to log in first. Okay, you simply run this and paste it again. Make sure guys, you have to save your all the information into your any of your notebook, into your phone or PC, okay, or laptop, wherever you can save it. You make sure if you log into your another device or first time, you have to save the private key, and if you want to import your new key, you can paste it and recover your wallet. Okay, so yeah, I have to complete the captcha. So as you can see, I have zero Taucoin. You can see. So here is my balance on web wallet 689 Taucoin. So I will withdraw into my Android application. Okay, so I have to complete again. Okay, here is my address and I will click on submit. Okay, successfully the wire has been sent to chain. Okay, so I just simply verify it. So, okay, here is my sender receipt address. You can see T. Okay, okay, so I have to verify it and I will show you if I got from the web wallet. So I just simply stop that video, stop my recording, so I will continue after got that coin. So hello friends, as I said I will continue my video after I get my withdraw. So recently I just checked my transaction. So here is my address and here is my transaction ID. So I want to show you on my Android wallet. So I just open my wallet and will show you. It's a little bit time more to open. As you can see, I just opening my app Taucoin. You just have to go to this link. You'll get your app on your Play Store. So I just simply put my law first, and guys, you can see here's my 689 TAU coins on my Android app. So uh, thank you so much for having on my video. I will make another video on my second withdraw on another website. So token is running very fast. Maybe it should be listed on CoinMarketCap as soon as possible. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye bye.